All right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Allie Blueberg Real Estate Podcast. I'm Allie Blueberg, your ally in the real estate world. See what I did there? Hope so. If not, it's okay. Today we're going to talk about the Truckee Meadows. Now, if you're new to the Reno Sparks area or you're thinking about moving here, you might be wondering, what is the Truckee Meadows? Why does everyone refer to it as that? So this is just a quick summary of what the Truckee Meadows even is. Even if you've lived here for a super long time, you still might be wondering, what is the Truckee Meadows? Basically, the Truckee Meadows is the Reno, Sparks, Fallon, Tahoe area. So it is northern Nevada, to sum it up in the easiest way possible. Northern Nevada is in the majestic Sierra Nevada mountains. Fun fact, it is the same mountain range that runs all the way down to Yosemite. So we all know how beautiful the Yosemite mountains are. Well, here in Reno, we get this treat of seeing the same mountain range every single day. So at the base of the valley, we have Reno and Sparks. Those are the two most central towns, Reno being the bigger city, Sparks being the smaller community of neighborhoods. So Reno is the largest city, Sparks is the neighboring city, Fernley is a little bit further east, and then we have Tahoe, which is up in the mountains, about 30 minutes away. Now, the Truckee Meadows has over 40 golf courses in year-round. One of the perks of the Truckee Meadows is we have over 300 sunny days a year. So we can play golf and we can hang out outside almost all year round. And it's a good thing we can be outside so much because we are surrounded by such beautiful scenery. Lake Tahoe is really close, but we are at the base of surrounding mountains. So we have 360 views of mountains from the valley floor. One of the other highlights of living in Reno is the National Bowling Stadium. It brings tourists from all over the country just to be able to bowl at this super cool looking building. It is literally a ball shape and they have so many lanes in there. It is insane. You will want to check it out when you come here. We also have Virginia City that is only 30 minutes away from downtown, and Virginia City is an old historic town that is frozen in time. Basically, it's a mining town, and now it's exactly how it was back then. It is literally frozen. The sidewalks, the buildings, even some of the locals will dress up in the attire from back then. It's a historic boom town, so you're gonna really wanna make sure you check that out. The Truckee Meadows offers world-class fishing and awesome hiking, biking, and outdoor experiences. The valley floor is at 4,500 feet. You might be wondering, okay, it's a desert, it's really sunny, the altitude's really high. What's the weather like? Well, we get the best of all worlds. We get 4 distinct seasons. Spring, summer, fall, winter, you won't miss out here. We get them all without crazy wild extremes. Pretty mild. Now, over the past 10 years, the Truckee Meadows has really tried to move away from their gambling reputation and break away from their overshadowing big sister of Las Vegas. So now Reno is a lot more than just a gambling city and a smaller version of Vegas. The Truckee Meadows has had giant, amazing corporations move into the area recently, offering super employment opportunities. You might be wondering, okay, I don't want to work in gaming, but I want to work and I want to live in Reno. Well, check out one of these businesses. They're the top non-gaming employers. We've got Washoe County School District, we've got Washoe County, we've got the University of Nevada, Reno, and we've got IGT. Now, fun fact for you, Reno is ranked 6th best mid-sized city to do business in. And the way that they grade these is through taxation and regulation, workforce and quality, and the living environment. So if you're looking for a place to land your business, the Truckee Meadows might be the perfect spot for you. We've recently put a lot of money in and expanded a huge industrial area, and Nevada has been offering awesome tax incentives for moving here and bringing your business with you. So if you're looking to move in the area, give me a call. I would love to answer any questions that you might have, and we can just talk it out. All right, well, that's all for the basic overview of what in the world is the Truckee Meadows and why are Northern Nevadans using this jargon. There you have it. I am Allie Blueberg, and I am your ally in the real estate field. You guys have a good day. I'll see you next week.